Hi yogis, Coach Brianna here. We're doing an 8-minute total body stretch today. Start in child's pose by taking your knees out wide, letting your big toes touch, walking your fingertips forward, and starting to take some long, slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Take one more deep breath here, and then start to rise and make your way to tabletop, bringing hands under shoulders, knees under hips. You're going to inhale, drop your belly, cow pose. Exhale, round the spine for cat pose. Inhale, take a cow. Exhale, arch that spine for cat. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Find your neutral tabletop position, and we're gonna send the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Press out of all 10 fingers, sending your heels down towards the mat. And remembering to breathe here. From here, we're gonna find our low lunge. So you're going to step the right foot between your hands, making sure your knee is right over that ankle, keeping your neck and your gaze lifted. Remembering to breathe deep here, stretching out that hip. We'll take a twist, planting the left hand, reaching the right hand up towards the ceiling, stacking those shoulders. And then go ahead and bring the right hand back down. Keep your gaze lifted, keep breathing, and then rise up, high lunge, pressing into that front foot, reaching your arms up towards the ceiling, energy from front foot all the way through the fingertips. Another deep breath, and then return to your low lunge. Make your way to tabletop. And then walk your fingertips towards the top of your mat, puppy dog pose. So keep your hips right over your knees, bowing your head and chest towards the mat, stretching out your shoulders and your upper back. Remember to keep breathing here. Long, slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Gently walk your fingertips back towards you. Find your downward facing dog, pressing your hips up and back. We're going to repeat that on the other side. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and step the left foot between your hands. Find that low lunge with the left foot in front. Remembering to keep your gaze lifted, keep your heart lifted. Deep breaths here. And then you're going to find your twist, planting the right hand, lifting the left, stacking the shoulders, and then gently replace the left hand back down next to the foot. We're going to find that high lunge again, so if you need to shorten your stance, you can take the back foot forward a little bit. But when you're ready, press into that front leg and rise on up. Feeling strong, feeling powerful, like you've got the weight of the world in your hand, and you're just gonna throw it to the next person. Return to your low lunge, maybe widen your stance a little bit. Drop the back knee, find your tabletop. From here, we'll take another child's pose. Send the knees out wide, let your big toes touch, walk your hands forward, bow your head down. You can let your forehead rest on the mat here. Take another long, slow, deep breath. Gently come back up and find an easy seat. And then we're going to bring the right leg in front of the left. Inhale to reach up, and then exhale, take a nice fold. As you're exhaling here, try to relax through the body. Let your neck relax, your shoulders, all the way through the arms and the fingertips. Gently rise back up. We're going to take a twist. So bring that left foot in towards the right cheek. Hug that right leg as you cross it over. Sit up nice and tall and then take your twist, turning towards the right, looking over that right shoulder. You really want to hug that right leg in towards the body here. Remembering to breathe, always breathing. And we gently turn back around, untwist, uncross the legs, and we'll take it on the other side. So bring the left leg in front of the right, take a deep breath. On your next inhale, reach up and then fold forward. Make sure you're relaxing through the body here, relaxing through the hips, relaxed in your back. Sometimes we like to clench onto things, but we just need to let go. Gently rise back up. We'll take the twist, so bring that right heel in towards the left cheek, cross the left foot over, hug that left leg, and then turn to face behind you, looking over that left shoulder. Really hug that left leg in towards your body, feeling a stretch in that leg. One more deep inhale, long, slow exhale. And then we're gently gonna turn towards the front and uncross the legs. Find your easy seat, and we'll take eagle arms. So reach your arms out wide, and then cross the right arm under the left. Maybe crossing again at the forearms, bringing palms together. And then lifting the elbows, pressing the hands away. If your shoulders are really tight, this might feel a little bit intense. You could let your elbows drop a little bit instead of lifting them towards the ceiling. Gently uncross, shake it out, do the wave. And then this time cross the left arm under the right. Lifting the elbows, pressing hands away. Breathing deep here, relaxing through the rest of the body. And we gently release, maybe shaking it out, maybe doing the wave. One more inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands to prayer. And that's it, that's our class. I hope to see you again soon.